Taar Ka Korma is a delicious and flavorful Indian dish made with mutton, goat meat, or chicken. The term tar refers to the thin, silky gravy that is the highlight of this dish. Here's a basic recipe for making Taar Ka Korma. Ingredients: 500 grams mutton or chicken, cut into pieces. 2 large onions, finely sliced. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 1 cup yogurt, whisked. 1/2 cup milk. 1/2 cup cream. 4-5 tablespoons vegetable oil or ghee, clarified butter. Whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 2-3 green cardamoms, 2-3 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick. Ground spices, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt, to taste. Saffron strands, soaked in 2 tablespoons of warm milk, optional. Chopped fresh coriander leaves, for garnish. Instructions. Marination. If you're using mutton, marinate the meat with half of the yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Skip this step if using chicken. Heat oil or ghee in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or pan over medium heat. Add the whole spices, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon, and saute for a minute until they release their aroma. Add the sliced onions and cook until they turn golden brown. Stir occasionally to ensure even browning. This will take about 8-10 minutes. Add the remaining ginger garlic paste and saute for another 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Now, add the marinated mutton or chicken. If using chicken, just add it directly to the pot and cook until it changes color and gets slightly seared. This step helps in sealing the juices and keeping the meat tender. Add the ground spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and red chili powder, and mix well, ensuring that the spices coat the meat evenly. Lower the heat and add the whisked yogurt to the pot. Stir continuously to prevent curdling. Cook for a few minutes until the yogurt is well incorporated into the meat. Pour in the milk and mix everything together. Cover the pot with a lid and let it simmer on low heat until the meat is tender and cooked through. This will take approximately 45 minutes to an hour for mutton and 20-30 minutes for chicken. You can also add a little water if needed during the cooking process. Once the meat is tender, add the cream and mix well. Adjust the salt according to your taste. If you're using saffron, add the soaked saffron strands along with the milk into the korma. It will enhance the flavor and give a beautiful color to the gravy. Cook the korma for a few more minutes until the flavors melt together and the gravy reaches the desired consistency. Garnish with chopped fresh coriander leaves before serving. Taar Ka Korma is usually served hot with steamed rice, naan, or roti. Enjoy this delicious and rich dish with family and friends.